Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Go to the Data tab, Forecast Group, click the What If Analysis button, and select Goal Seek. In the Goal Seek dialog box, define the cell's values to test and click OK. Set cell, the reference to the cell containing the formula B5.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Technically, Goal Seek is a process of calculating a value by performing what-if analysis on a given set of values. For our purposes, Excel's Goal Seek feature lets you adjust a value used in a formula to achieve a specific goal. Or, put another way, Goal Seek determines input values needed to achieve a specific goal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.